Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I achieved these beautiful coils. So I carefully wrap the hair around the rod, carefully, tightly, starting from the top to the bottom. You do it very carefully and tight, just the way you can see me doing it in the video. Then when you're done wrapping it, make sure it's tight, it's not coming off the rod. Then if it's coming off the rod, then you know you're not doing it right. Make sure it's very tight, guys. When you're done wrapping it, then you proceed to pour in hot water directly on the rod. Yes, directly on the rod. You have to be really careful in this part not to hurt your client, because telling by it's steam coming out of this hair, you will know that this water is really hot. So you have to be really gentle and make sure the water goes directly on the rod and it touches every single strand of the hair. A while back, I posted this hair as a YouTube short and a lot of people liked it, so I decided to post a longer form so that you guys can see better what I did, because the one I posted before was fast and I was getting a lot of comments, lots of attention. And so yes, this is the longer form. I'm still pouring hot water on it. Please, you have to be careful because this can be very, very dangerous if you don't do it carefully. Then when I'm done, I use a towel to dry it out before drying it again with a hand dryer. Make sure you take off as much water as you can with the towel before using your hand dryer. That way it will be easier for it to dry off quickly. Then when I'm done with that, I go ahead and then I loosen all the coils from the rod, and this is what it looks like. It looks really, really beautiful. I'm just going to go ahead. If you don't do it properly, you don't use hot water, your coils may not come out looking this good. So the water has to be very hot. And yes, this is my client. She's loving her hair already. She loves her hair. The hair was really beautiful. It was gorgeous. Thank you guys for watching my video. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and you can drop a comment. Tell me what's next you want to see me do, what tutorial you want to see me do. Thank you guys for staying.